is a celebration today of the 10th anniversary of the Dali Museum's building. This building that's been called by AOL Online one of the 10 buildings you have to see during your lifetime.
While the museum has been in operation since 1982, this amazing structure behind us is celebrating its 10th anniversary today. And we're honored to have all of you with us to share in this joyful occasion. Everything from the procession of the bread, which is one of Dalí's most enduring symbols, and one of his most changeable symbols in a juxtaposition that's very delineated.
Curve again. Watch your curve.
One. Happy anniversary, Dali.
Oh, the bread is Dalí. It's surreal because Dalí would put it, have it, and put it on Dalí's on heads. Because one thing about being surreal is taking something where it usually is and putting it somewhere where it'd never be. Same thing as a shoe.
That's right.
Happy 10th anniversary to Dalí.
Yeah.
Happy 10th anniversary to Dalí.
Just another day at the Dalí, right? This is what we expect. That's right.
To the costumes, celebrating the past decade of exhibits. All of this is an attempt to embody the inspiring, vibrant, and whimsical spirit of not only the collection, but of the museum building itself. Please join me in welcoming our Executive Director, Dr. Hank Hine, to start off our ceremony today.
What a pleasure to celebrate this day with you. 1/11/11. To 1/11/21. In these 10 years, this decade, 3 million people have visited this museum. 3 million. I extend on behalf of the trustees of the Dali Museum, those dedicated souls who have seen this project through, the staff, the many volunteers, our thanks.
It was audacious to bring the Dali Museum to Florida at all. Remember, this started with a page one story in the Wall Street Journal, and some folks said, well, they're in Cleveland, the Morses are looking for a place to put their Dali Museum. Why not St. Petersburg? Why not indeed? And so it came. It was an audacious and ambitious idea, the benefit of which we are seeing here even today.
This museum helped put St. Petersburg onto the world art stage. And it started this revolution of the arts here in the Sunshine City. Without the Dali, I'm not sure we'd be the vibrant, thriving arts community that we have become. And I want to be clear, I believe the arts in this city, and particularly Dali, have played a key role in creating the economic successes that we are experiencing here in St. Petersburg.
The museum has outgrown its present home. It's got everything it needs in terms of entry, in terms of the museum store, in terms of the offices, in terms of all the services, the vault, and all of those things. But it needs more gallery space. And not just ordinary gallery space which can adapt and be flexible and welcome the future of explanation, education, museology, and experience.
A guy in advertising named John Gossage once said, changing the world is the only worthy pursuit of serious people. And we've taken that charge as what the museum must do, to try to create a vehicle for change. Empowerment of the people who visit us, the people who hear about us, the people who see our building and know our work.
I look at the Dalí as the icon that will lead the movement of the arts, but indeed be the icon for St. Petersburg as part of Tampa Bay, as a building that represents the ability to deal with change, represent it safely, beautifully, and quite appropriately for the great community that we have today.
Salute.
Dalí.
Dali.